Okay, guys, welcome back to another video. Um, so today we're gonna be checking out the Boeing 737. Not just any Boeing 737, but the Boeing 737-200. Now, this plane is kind of crap. I mean, I think your pilot has been intoxicated. One looks like a Markiplier, but we're going to ignore that theory. It's a WestJet. I think it's kind of fricked, but yeah, so it's supposedly a WestJet. I don't think you can tell, but let's get right into it. Okay, so we're in this plane right now, and if you want to know, this is the cockpit. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's from Flight Simulator 2002, but we're just going to ignore that theory also. So pretty much, its flies pretty good. We're gonna put our gear up. Its engines. Okay, now this whole thing is fricked up. Let's see how far the flaps can go. Oh, whoa. This is our flaps, okay. Well, so the cockpit, of course, kind of looks like it came out of something that you would find in the 1990s. Why can't we do this? So, you can only do the autopilot, I'm guessing, in this cockpit. But, yeah, it's pretty good. Except the exterior and interior. It's pretty good. We're going to try to land at this random airport. Let's see how that goes. I don't know which airport this is. I just spawned in Friday Harbor, because that's our default airport, and I don't care.
I think we might land. I don't know where the airport is technically located. I think we have a pretty good rate. We're a little high and a little fast. We're just going to ignore that, though. I'm gonna guess I'm going the right way.
I mean, this plane is okay. And we're going to land third person, because why not? At least what I hear a lot. I just want to make sure that you guys can see. Let's see and make sure we can make a butter today. Never mind, we're going to strike a tree. Oh no, we didn't strike a tree. And a butter. Never mind, we're dead. Now, as you can see, I think we've overran a bit. Not too much, if you think about it. We're just in the water, kind of. I think we've gone kind of Sully mode. We have definitely overran a little, just a little again. Like I said, oh, now we're back up in the air. Well, if we look in the cockpit again, this is our friend Mike over here. I told you he kind of looks like he's intoxicated. Looks like Roblox, but then Minecraft from the 1990s. But we're just going to go away from that. Now the autopilot, like I said, works. We can try it out if you want me to. Alright, so we're gonna climb to 2,300 feet. I guess we can try it. Let's just ascend it and make sure this works. Alright. Okay, well, the autopilot looks like it's working. Now we can get out of that. Nothing happened. Okay, we're back after that little incident. So, yeah, pretty much we're almost over speeding down here. But I guess the autopilot works. Seems good. Does it go inverted? Well, it does go inverted, but I don't think it's gonna make it. Yeah. Okay, well, we're not gonna make it. And there we go. We made a Sully landing. Landing Sully. We're gonna try this. Let's try to make a Sully and then end this video. Shall we pull reverse thrusters in air because we want to? If they're gonna work, that'd be great. No, well, they don't decide to work today. Does it not want to pull reverse thrusters because we don't have our gear down? Is that what the... Oh, whoa! We successfully made a Sully. Well, thank you. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Have a good day, and bye.